Reliance Jio Infocom recently said that it is absolutely ready to roll out 5G and for the global operators as well. Now, this means Reliance Jio will be the first company from India to say that on the likes of Nokia, Ericsson, Samsung, Huawei, ZTE, Reliance Jio from the stables of Reliance Industries will also or is in a position to offer 5G technology for the global telecom players. But patent experts and lawyers are questioning and have raised doubts as to where does Reliance Jio stand when it comes to owning the 5G technology in comparison to global players who have had a head start. Let us see where Reliance Jio is compared to its competitors. Now, Mukesh Ambani in the recent AGM said that this Made in India 5G solution will be ready for trials as soon as 5G spectrum is available and can be ready for field deployment next year. Mind you, 5G spectrum sale has not happened in India yet, and the telecom department is mulling as to when the next phase of auctions will start. Right now, the only auctions that we foresee in the near future is the 4G auctions. Jio, which started in the year 2016, has filed for 134 patents, of which 29 have been granted. In its latest annual report, the Mukesh Ambani-led telco said Jio has filed for 31 patents in FY20 alone and was granted 10. Now, all these patents filed are not only in the 5G area, but also in the other aspects of telecom technology, which could be artificial intelligence, IoT, bots, anything. And 5G is a chunk of it. But compared to Jio, rivals Huawei, Ericsson, Nokia, ZTE, Samsung have had a very large head start. For instance, Huawei said that it holds 20% of all 5G patents till June 2020. And it considers itself to be the top patent holder in 5G technology. In comparison, Nokia says that it holds about 3,000 patents that are essential for 5G. Rival Ericsson says that about 17% of its sales goes into R&D, and also that a large chunk of this is also deployed into 5G. Samsung, a South Korean company, Huawei, a Chinese company, ZTE, another Chinese company, Nokia, based out of Finland, and Ericsson, which is headquartered in Sweden. You will finally have, or you might see, an Indian company now competing with them. Lawyers have questioned or are raising doubts on few points. One is, it is very important for these telecom gear providers to own the technology. In 5G, it is crucial that they have the first movers advantage. A similar thing is seen in the pharma field. Whoever owns the molecule is the one which rules it. Similarly, in the telecom technology, if you own the 5G technology, it means that the rest of them, you can move into agreements with other companies to deploy technology which is owned by you and through which you get royalty. When you see the head start which the other global players have already received.
It is great to see an Indian company like Jio foraying into the 5G patent space. It is comparatively a new entrant, and it will take some time to catch up with the Huawei and Ericssons of the world who have been working on this technology for quite some time. But here is hoping that Jio would in the near future have a robust patent portfolio of itself, which it could exploit.
It largely depends on what kind of technology they are patenting in their portfolio, to what extent they are covering processes, innovative products, to what extent they have standard essential patents, and what is the technical edge they are bringing to the table. So this is how it will determine whether Jio would be able to compete with the global 5G patent holders. And it's actually not about how many you have, it's about what is the quality of your product, what is the value of your product.
One might wonder if at all Jio is right now ready to compete at that global level. However, there is another set of people who say that look at the kind of investments that Jio has received over the last 2 to 3 months, and also the kind of alliances it is making. For example, Jio has an alliance recently inked with Qualcomm. Now, this is very, very important because Qualcomm also is big in the 5G technology space. It's important for us to remember that 5G is not about just the telecom gear makers. There are other companies also who are into this technology, and a firm like Qualcomm's alliance is definitely going to push Jio into the next 5G in a 5G competitive space. So far, Jio is the only company which has said that it is planning to or it is 5G ready. Airtel has said at the current 5G prices, it will not pick up 5G spectrum. And Vodafone Idea right now is cash strapped and is not in a position to pick up the next set of spectrum auctions. So right now, we have no option but to believe that Jio is 5G ready. But of course, is it going to be at par with the global players? That only will be open to us or will be told to us once the spectrum auctions take place, and then we will know if at all it is a level playing field.